to get to know me better than the lights. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade away?
Hello my friend, welcome to my channel Cheesy Moments. I hope you enjoy my video. Please support me with a like and subscription. It will help to make my content more exciting and fun in the future. See ya!
Can we watch it fade away? Can we let it fade? Can we let it fade away?
there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.